Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are getting through the last remnants of what I think is our third winter snowstorm of the season. There's no denying it, winter is truly here. It's kind of a sad story, but that's not the sad story that I want to talk about today. The sad story I want to talk about today is that after 12 years of ownership, I finally sold my 2006 Suzuki SV650S. The car's running, so let's go take a drive and I'll talk about it. So yes indeed, after 12 years, I finally sold that bike. Why? Why did I sell it? Well, at the end of the day, the quick, straightforward, most simple answer is I have too many bikes. I have too many bikes, I hardly have enough room to store the ones I already have, and holy crap, that's a horrible shot. I did not notice the sun was like that, so I apologize. Now with all that said, it didn't make it an easy decision. I've loved that bike. In lots of ways, I consider that bike my first bike, even though it's really not. What it is it was my first new dealership bike that I bought. It was the first bike I walked into a dealership and brought new off of the showroom floor. And even though I'm not sure I'll ever do that again, it still has quite the history for me being that bike. I had that bike for 12 years, so it has a lot of sentimental value, and I'm not a hugely sentimental person, but I loved that bike, and it was really hard to make the decision and finally see it go. So in a nutshell, that's more or less the why. If I had my choice, I would not sell the SV at all. I'd keep it for the rest of my life. This is in no way, shape, or form a reflection of the SV itself. I don't want to get rid of that bike, not only because it's sentimental, but I don't want to get rid of that bike because it's a freaking awesome bike. Everyone who has or have had an SV swears by them. They are super nice, high quality, great design, super reliable, well built. This bike is great for anyone from a beginner to an expert. Suzuki really hit it out of the park. So with all that said, you guys might be wondering, well Travis, if you love this bike so much, why did I get another bike and then kind of force myself to have to sell the SV? Well, truth be told, the bike bug just bit me hard, and so I realized that I just really wanted to kind of have some new bike riding experiences. I felt like I got most of what I could out of the SV, short from maybe racing it on a track, like officially somewhere. But I mean, I rode that thing so much and for so long to so many different places, and so I feel like it and I kind of ran our course. I wanted to have a different daily rider and a different or new riding experience. But to do that, I gotta cycle the inventory in and out. I got some bad sun again. Alright, that's better. So as much as I love that SV and always will, it just seemed like it was the appropriate time to let it go. Not the right time per se, but it was the appropriate time. And I guess that's what you get when you ride a bike for 12 years after buying it brand new off the showroom floor. I think it's gone to a good new owner, and I hope all goes well with him and the bike, and I hope they treat each other well and all that good stuff. So with all that said, let's take this opportunity to look back at some of the memories that I have with the SV, starting all the way back to the day I bought it. All right, home again, home again. All my errands are done, and I got to chat with you guys while I did them. So yeah, you guys, that's kind of a quick, sort of a quick life garage YouTube channel update, vehicle update, whatever you want to consider it. One less bike. Eventually I'll get other bikes cycled in and maybe new bike projects and rebuilds and fix-ups or whatever it might be. So that's it. Stuff's making weird noise over there. I don't know what it is.
It's just some trash blowing in the wind.
Yeah, I think it's just the wind. Yes, the SV has moved on to a new home, a new owner. I hope they get along well and that all goes well and that the SV gets the attention and riding it deserves. But that's enough yakking. I keep yakking. So anyways, I think that's pretty much it for now. Thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.